So now that we created the pods and I created some posts which were declared experts, it's time that we use the add-ons, the essential add-ons that we wanted for that purpose. And we are going to choose the post grid. We just have to find it here somewhere. And it is right here at the top. So we pull it and we drop it. And actually, I think it is even better if we choose to make it an intersection below this. And we just delete one column. And we pull our post grid down here. And the source is going to be experts. And here you can see the experts that I've added. There are more, so we just have to see in the settings. We do it random. So we just make some changes. We don't want the metadata. Here we go, that's much better. I need to check if this read more is in the right color. So, and as it turns out, it has the wrong color. So I'm just changing the read more button to my link colors. And I did the same with the names, the headlines. So on the layout, we just added a load more button. And again, under style, we have to fix our load more button because it needs to match our settings. And here we are with the background colors. Just choose your normal button colors. So, and as you can see, you can change it. So you've got your colors and hovering colors. And for read more, for the link, just the same. So here we go. This is a post grid that we wanted. So if there's more experts we add in our pods, it's coming automatically into this. And with a random section, it's gonna look different each time.